Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a new language on Netflix profile, streaming customization step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app on your TV, phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Netflix account. From the home screen, go to the profile selection page if it appears. Choose the profile where you want to change the language. If you are already inside Netflix, select your profile icon at the top right or top left, depending on your device. Click or tap on Manage Profiles. Select the profile you want to edit from the list. Find the option called Language or Display Language. Click or tap Language to open the available language list. Scroll through the list to locate your preferred language. Select the new language you want to use for menus and Netflix interface text. Confirm the selection if a confirmation button appears. Go back to the profile settings screen to ensure the change is saved. Now look for an option called Viewing Restrictions or Playback Settings if your device shows it. Return to the main Netflix screen using the back button. Open any movie or series to adjust audio and subtitles for that title. Start playing the video so the audio and subtitle menu becomes available. Select the screen or speech bubble icon to open audio and subtitles. Choose your preferred audio language if it is available for that title. Choose your preferred subtitle language from the subtitle list. If you do not see the language you want, try a different title because availability varies by content. If the interface language did not update, close the Netflix app completely. Reopen Netflix and sign in again if needed. Check the profile language one more time and manage profiles. On a computer, you can also go to Netflix.com, click your profile icon, and open account. In Account, choose the profile under Profile and Parental Controls. Select language and save your new choices for display language and content languages if shown. Test by browsing categories and playing a title to confirm the new language is working. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.